Okay, good morning everyone. It is August the 1st, 2019. I am updating the latest look of the Widebody CL55. As you can see here, the gold Rohanas are off. These are Vossen 20 by 10.5. Yes, I took the gold wheels off, believe it or not. It totally changes the look of the car. I think it gives it more sophistication and class and less flashy. People can focus more on the wide body kit versus the loud gold wheels. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the Rohana gold wheels, but this just gives it a different look. And also, I think it goes better with the chrome pipes. I know a lot of people are giving me a hard time with those pipes on those gold wheels, telling me maybe I should remove them, go back to the quad oval pipes, maybe even black these out or gold them out. Well, they look good with the wheels that's on here now. These Vossen wheels have a polished aluminum lip that looks chrome with the silver spokes. It's a good look. I'm taking this car to a lot of car shows here lately, this spring and summer, and I've got a lot of positive reviews. A lot of people have told me that this is one of the most amazing cars that they've seen there at the show. Believe it or not, I'm like, wow, it's a lot of nice cars here, but they really gave me a lot of props on this car because of how unique it is. You can't just go out and buy one of these. You have to put in a lot of work and spend a lot of money to get it to this point. A lot of these car shows, I mean, I haven't seen any modified Mercedes. Of course, there's AMGs there, but not a lot of people are heavily modifying these Mercedes. Not here in Cincinnati and in the tri-state area. So for those who do have modified Mercedes, I would love to see them. We need to get together and do like a Mercedes car show. That'd be great. Show different angles here. And I know at these angles, these pipes look like they're humongous, but believe me, I've recently gone to some car shows and the pipes look crazy. They stick out way further than this. There you go. That's without the sun beating down. You can see the car a little bit better in this angle. It's a beautiful look. Okay. So again, this is Brandon, aka better known as BG Customs here locally, but officially it is Gold Element Autoworks. I had to get an official name. By the way, I am distributing these wide body kits directly from the manufacturer. These are fiberglass wide body kits. As of right now, on eBay, I have them listed only for the W215 chassis Mercedes, which is the CL500s, CL600s, CL55, what is it, 65 maybe, or 63. But I will be soon gaining access to wide body kits for other popular makes and models. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram, Widebody CL55, or you can add me at Gold Element Autoworks on Facebook, or you can email me at goldelementautoworks at outlook.com. If you have any questions, contact me there. If you have an opinion about this look, talk to me. Get on YouTube and message me your opinion, how you feel it looks with these wheels versus the gold wheels. Okay? Until next time, or until my next project. Talk to you later.